Good evening, everybody. It's Alex here on Ultimate Slow Eagle, bringing you more Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. In the last episode, we had started off our journey when these fucking Kragmite robot creatures were attacking Kerwan. Today, we're going to be starting off the first official level of this game. That being Planet Kabalia. The fucking wasteland. Oh, you can't skip these now. God damn it. It's fine. Oh, okay. Well, as you can see, we have nearly the fusion grenade fully upgraded. These enemies are really fucking disgusting. Ew. Oh yeah, different sinking animation. Look. I just thought I'd show you that. Thank you. Thank you, help desk lady. Whoa. Okay. Alright. Ugh. Yeah, these enemies are fucking disgusting. Jesus fucking Christ! They're fucking cockroaches. These big ass cockroaches. Oh, it's R2, not R1. Okay. Like in the other games. I'm getting sick even looking at these things. Oh my god, these enemies are disgusting. Yeah, these enemies are really grotesque looking. So, just as an FYI, if you have a weak stomach, do not look at these enemies. High jump, R2 and X. Okay. Holy shit. What is it with these fucking bugs? They keep fucking spawning. Oh my god. Why? Why do they keep spawning? More of these guys! Seriously! This game has an unhealthy fetish with these fucking bugs. Oh.
You have acquired raritanium. This valuable resource
Yeah, see that special currency I was talking about in the start of the Let's Play? That's that. Dead, you fucking bitch. Wonder what happens if you shoot the pterodactyls. Can you shoot them? Oh no, too fucking far away. God damn it. Oh, fuck it. Let's continue on. Okay. Getting close to upgrading again. That's good.
The Comet Strike is an effective way to reach distant enemies and bolts. Simply crouch, then press square to throw your wrench.
Yeah, I like that, but I got weapons to upgrade, I'm afraid. Oh, perfect timing. Now tick. Upgrade. Oh shit. So, oh, these fucking things. Yeah, wall jumping feels a little weird in this game. Ooh.
With the jackpot power-up, you'll temporarily earn more gold and Veritanium.
Double. Let's go. Thank you. I will be taking that. Double bolts. Let's go. Okay. Level 3 already. Awesome. Get rid of these fucking things. Let's see if we can find a way out of here. And we'll just blow this fucking thing up. Whoa! How come we don't have a vendor yet? Oh, fuck. There goes my cat.
You have collected a Leviathan soul. These are valuable in the Polaris Galaxy and can be traded for bolts.
Polaris Galaxy. Yep. We got, first we have Solana, then Bogon, now this. Bella, get in here. God, the cat can be a pain in the ass sometimes. Might need to talk to that guy.
Attention. Attention, citizens of Cavalia. The Imperial Defense Force reports that a Lombax has infiltrated this star sector. The Empire expects your full cooperation in neutralizing this threat to our security.
New explosive crates once again. Oh, god damn it. Fucking died.
Attention, citizens
As
of
I was
Cavalia.
explaining.
The Imperial Defense Force reports that a Lombax has infiltrated this star sector. The Empire expects your full cooperation in neutralizing this threat to our security.
I mean you no harm, Polaris Galaxy citizens. Yeah. Pretty much that same bomb stuff from that Tenando thing. And new vendor. Get it? Tools of destruction? Anyways. Okay. Okay, cool. Can upgrade my weapons. Don't have everything right now. The other slots are not gonna be empty long. Okay, let's see. Cool. And what weapons can we buy? Plasma beasts. Can't afford that. That's really creative right there. Tornado launcher. How sick is that? Anyways, plasma beasts. 15,000 bolts. Let's do it. And then we can upgrade. Cool. Cool, cool, cool.
To access your map, press the select button.
I'll probably be doing that just a second, but not right now, because I'm too busy collecting bolts.
Attention citizens of Cavalia. Today is Tachyon Appreciation Day. You must show your devotion to our leader by learning the Tachyon Appreciation Session.
Seems like more of a dictator than an emperor.
Don't you lay this on me, you worthless sack of Kurt, you sweat. You were supposed to watch the jailgate.
Blame the parrot. Always blame the parrot. Is everything all right, sir? Imperial spies! Hide their bodies!
Oh, well, excuse my friend. We're just a couple of humble smugglers, unfairly hunted and persecuted wherever we go. Yep, it seems the Imperials have shut down the planet's gelatonium plant. They must be, looking for someone.
Well, we're kind of stranded ourselves. Our ship crashed back there and...
Tell them now. Sell their kidneys.
Stranded, hmm? I'll tell you what, now, we're gonna make you a deal. You get the gel pumps working, and we'll, procure a vessel for you. Here, you'll need this generator.
Thank you. That's gonna be really useful.
What do you do? What do you say? What's the haps there, Slick? Devices are special combat items. Very handy in a pinch. Come on, step into our office and take a look-see.
Devices. Ooh, nice. Okay, leech bomb. Okay.
Got a deal.
Okay. Ooh, a Groovetron. I'm really gonna.
No choice. We can see you're no stranger to danger.
Okay, okay. Groovetron. I fucking love the Groovetron.
Why don't you try going to Rubik's on one of those super bots? I'll give you some more next time you swing by.
I'll show that off later. There's a skill point for that, which I gotta do every enemy with, but not right now. Right now, we just gotta get started over here. I don't give a fuck, Keisha. We're here to do some... Okay. Okay. Now, I've never seen some of these skill points before, so I may be slacking a little bit. I don't think you die from these things. These fucking guys are really a bunch of shits. Fuck out of here. They'll just eat up your gel like crazy, and they're a fucking pain in the ass to deal with. Let's see how these plasma beasts take care of these guys. Not bad. Huh, not bad. Do we have the gravity boots, per se? Yes, we do. Oh, nice. This is one... I guess this is one way to get past all that.
We must remind you that you are currently defying a direct Imperial decree. Desist at once.
Fuck off. Let's still go over here, though. See if there's anything important. Just some bolts. And nanotech. Okay. Better than nothing. Better than nothing, I suppose. Get these little shits. Shit suckers out of here. They're eating up my fucking gel. Okay. And just like the other games, the game will start off slow and really, really easy. It'll get super duper difficult as we go on. And a lot of the planets in challenge mode are pretty damn difficult. Okay. I'm surprised I made that. Alright. Whoa, fuck. Okay. Let's get these little fucks here. Fuckers here. Yeah, I don't... And these guys cannot die, so don't try wasting your ammo on them. As much as these little shit suckers are annoying, can't fucking kill them, so these don't disappear. Oops, wrong button. Get these bolts up here. More bolts, the merrier. Don't you know? Don't you know? What the hell's up there? Oh, the other thing of this. Probably. I think this is the last game with David Beauregard doing the soundtrack, which sucks, but hey. The new guy that does, the new people that do the soundtrack for the series now aren't really that bad. I've seen a lot worse, by a mile.
Ratchet, we should see that smuggler about the ride he promised.
Exactly what I'm doing, friend. Okay. Bolts for the rods. Now we gotta drain this. How much gelinator? These guys are addicted to Jello. And I get it's also really late at night, so I might go to bed after doing this video. Yeah. we get there, let's test out this Groovitron. Hey, even the smuggler and the parrot are doing it. Awesome. Oh, that's awesome. And also, we also have the armor vendor.
Attention, any citizen.
We have Black Star armor, 30,000 bolts. It might be a bit before we get there, but it's all good though.
Hereby authorized to use deadly and excruciatingly painful force in its capture.
Let's see. I'm not sure if you can tell behind the camera, I am getting a little bit of a groove going. I always have fun with the Groovitron. You can't go wrong with the Groovitron. Groovitron can also help with the bad mood. I know it definitely helps with my bad mood.
If you are approached by the renegade Lombax, remember, do not speak to it. Lombaxes are well known for their insidious mind tricks. You must shoot on sight. Do not listen to its treasonous Lombax lies.
Wow, they're really fucking biased, aren't they? And I don't think we can reach over there, can we? I guess not. Oh, that's good. We don't have to go back and pay for bolts if we can get in the crates. Oh, that's good. Don't know why it... I don't know why the hell it mixes up the bolt and retaining deal. And there we have our first golden bolt. And they go back to the gold bolts in this game. And the bolts look a lot crisper in this trilogy. Alright, I'm going to start over here. Let's get them all in one spot. Chorus line. That's hilarious. Okay, need to get this guy low enough. Whoa. Okay. Alright, not bad. Fortunately, not enough ammo to finish him off. Finish him off with the fusion grenade. And combustor. Very muscular sounding boss defeat for first mini boss, or a mini boss, I should say. Okay. Ugh. Oh, that's just gross. Alright, next fucking beast. Oh shit, I'm running very low on ammo. Whoa! Douche. Oh, new boss bar. I like this boss bar. The one from Deadlock, replacing the green with red. It actually looks really nice now. Giant Hunter. Interesting. Not too. 518. Nice. Now, are there any more over here? Any more? Let's see. Oh. Okay. Nope, I guess not. I think we're all set. But I'm gonna upgrade my weapons and
Attention citizens
catch
of
up on...
Due to its overwhelming popularity, Tachyon Appreciation Day will be extended infinity days +1. Please mark your calendars accordingly.
Hey, device guy is getting it. Yeah.
Hey, Chief. You've got enough Veritanium for an upgrade. Which weapon do you want to upgrade?
Let's see.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Let's see. Do this, and then more damage.
And done.
And nothing else. Okay. For right now. We'll do more ammo in the fusion grenade. And go on from there. And whenever you need help with nanotech, if you go to the vendor, you'll get nanotech filled back up, which is going to be amazing. And of course, since I used up 2 groove charm, a smashing good time. Let's see. I should have gone down a barrel. What? That makes no sense. And then all this other shit. Not right now though. Okay. So far I unlocked the E3 trailer. But let's see, whatever. Okay. Where the heck are we?
Friend, you're on Kabali. It's the jail capital of the Polaris Galaxy. Well, at least it was until Emperor Tachyon shut down the plant.
And I brought it back to life. Who is Emperor Tachyon anyway?
The Runt? Well, he's something of a mystery. Come here. I heard he was hatched from an egg frozen somewhere in the verdigris sector like a cragmite sickle, you know? You ought to be careful.
Cragmite.
He's got himself a sore spot for Lombaxes.
And what are Leviathan souls? These souls, Leviathan souls. What the hell are they?
Bolts in the bag, friend. Look here. There are creatures out there. Now, the ones of the larger variety carry in each of them a Leviathan's soul. Now, I kill them, I collect them, and then sell them. And I'll tell you what. You find any souls, you be sure and bring them on back to me, you hear? I'll give you a fair price for them.
Well, I just got 3, so...
Pleasure doing business.
6,000 bolts. Nice. And I think that's all of them. So if I just hit that, he'll just say I'm wasting his time, so I'm not going to bother with that. So, how about the ride?
Now, I can take you all as far as Stratus City. How'd that be?
Okay. I can do that. Alright, we got everything. So, on we go. And you'll love this loading screen, though, once it pops up. It's taking a little bit to load. Well, I've had this disc for a fucking long time, and my cousin played one of my cousins played this a long time ago.
So the Polaris Galaxy, Tachyon owns all of it?
Yep. Ironic, ain't it? The one cragmite they didn't vaporize comes back to empty hunk of dirt.
All hail the Lomaxes, saviors of the universe!
Attention transport vessel. A bioscan reveals a Lombax life form aboard your ship.
Oh
Stand
no.
by for immediate disintegration.
It's the Lomax! Nothing but trouble! Nothing but trouble!
Sir, if you jettison the excess cargo, you could increase your speed and evade capture.
I couldn't agree more.
Damn it, Clank, you just had to fucking... You had to fucking rat at us out, didn't you? God damn it. Well, we're here. Incinerator missiles will kill me almost instantly. I could not...
Touching down in Sector 1. Send all available drop-in units.
But for right now, that'll be it for today. Next time we're going to start Planet Kortog. And find out if we can find a fucking ship. Until then, have a great one, guys. And I'll see you next time. Have a great night, y'all.